Hi everyone, is your phone brightness going down automatically again and again? Don't worry, I will show you easy step to fix this problem. Step 1. Turn off auto brightness. First, open settings, display, find auto brightness or adaptive brightness and turn it off. Now adjust brightness manually. This is the most common reason for brightness changing by itself. Step 2. Check battery saver. Go to settings, battery. If battery saver or power saver mode is on, turn it off. This feature reduces brightness to save battery. Step 3. Check extra display settings. Now go to settings, display, turn off option like eye protection or dark theme. This can make your screen glow dim. Step 4. Restart your phone. Restart your phone. This refreshes system settings and fix small issues. Step 5. Update software. Go to settings, software update. Install any available update to fix bugs. Final tips. If brightness still changes, it might be a sensor issue. Try removing your screen protector or cleaning the top sensor area. And that's it. These steps should fix brightness going down automatically. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy Android tips.